Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Dear students, as you know that nowadays we have been discussing about personal response or open-ended questions and answers. Already we have completed part 1 and part 2 of this series and today's video is a part 3 which is related to the personal response or open-ended questions from standard 10 English subject lower level. But before watching this video, as usual I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Alright, let's begin to learn about open-ended or personal response questions and answers from unit number 3 and lesson is 3.2 A Lesson in Life from a Beggar. Question number 1. What will you do if your friend has come first in school? जर तुमचा मित्र शाळेमध्ये पहिला आला तर तुम्ही काय कराल? Answers. If my friend has come first in school, I will congratulate him. I will give him a gift as a token of appreciation. I will distribute sweets among my friends. I will know about his future plans. However, I will understand his way of study. Next question. Do you like walking? Why? Answer. Yes, I like walking because it is the best exercise for our body. It is a complete exercise to our body. It makes us physically and mentally fit. However, it keeps away from diseases. Next question. Do you like to work as an LIC officer? Why? Answer. Yes, I like to work as an LIC officer because it is an interesting field of work. I would like to contact different people through this work. I would like to encourage people about saving plans. However, I would like to tell them the importance of insurance in our life. Next question. What is your opinion about Meena? Answer. I think that Meena is a negative-minded person. She is always pessimistic. She thinks in a negative way on any subject. She finds fault in everything. Her negative nature is the cause of her unhappiness. Let's see next question. Do you think old memories and friends are precious and rare? Answer. Yes, I think that old memories and friends are precious and rare because they have shared many of our joys and sorrows. They have supported us unconditionally. Our present status is totally dependent on old friends and memories. However, it is a fact that we can't form friendship with anyone like old friends. So, they are precious as well as rare. Next question. What will you do if you meet your old friend after a long gap? Answer. If I meet my old friend after a long gap, I will welcome him. I will request him to spend some days with me. I will speak with him about childhood days. However, I will respect him. Next question. What will you do if you find in rain? Answer. If I find in rain, I will take shelter at the safe place. I will wait to subside the rain. However, I will inform to my family members about my safety. Next question. Do you like to make adjustment in life? Why? Answer. Yes, I like to make adjustments in life because adjustments are the secret of success. It is need to enjoy happy life. Adjustments make our life grand and glorious. Next question. How will you convince your friend about making adjustments in life? Answer: I will tell my friend about the importance of adjustments in life. I will tell him about need of adjustment in life. Next question: how would you help the beggar? Answer: I would give him food and clothes. I would give him money. I would support him to start any business. However, I would try to make him self-reliant. Next question: describe your role model in 2 or 3 sentences. Answer: Dr. Karmveer Bhaurao Patil is my role model. He gave me an attitude to look towards education. I would like to take education in every nook and corner. Next question: how do you respect your guru? Answer: I touch the feet of my guru. I follow his teaching. I implement his teaching. Next question: do you like to get your education in boarding school? Why? Answer: yes, I like to get my education in boarding school because I can become self-reliant in a boarding school. I understand the importance of home while earning in a boarding school. However, boarding school cultivates good habits and mannerism among students. Let's see some of the personal response type questions and answers from the lesson. Let's march. Question number 1. Name the different fields in which Nobel Prizes are given. Answer: 1. Nobel Prize for Physics. 2. Nobel Prize for Chemistry. Third one, Nobel Prize for Medicine. Fourth, Nobel Prize for Peace. Fifth, Nobel Prize for Literature. And sixth one, Nobel Prize for Economics. Next question. If you win an award, whom do you give credit for? Answer: if I win an award, I give credit to my sincere efforts. I give credit to my parents for their unconditional love and support. I give credit to my teachers for their valuable guidance. However, I give credit to my sincere and loving friends. Next question. Write the 4 books of wisdom from ancient India. Answer: 1. The Vedas. 2. The Gita. Third one, the Ramayana. And fourth, the Mahabharata. Next question. Do you like to work for the children? Answer: yes, I like to work for the children because today's children are tomorrow's citizens. They are the future of nation. They are the part and parcel of our country. Working for children gives me joy and delight. Next question. What will you do if you are kidnapped by someone? Answer: if I am kidnapped by someone, I will try to remain in a contact with my family members. I will think about clue to rescue from such condition. I will try to escape. Next question. How are children treated in the society? Answer: I think that the children are treated in a bad way in the society. They treated as a child laborers. They have to work as shoe shine boys, newspaper boys, waiters, etc. However, they have to work in firecrackers factories. The opportunities of education are denied for them. Next question. What are the things of enjoyment for children? Answer: I think that the children are specially meant for enjoyment. Enjoying day-to-day life is the right for children. They should get enjoyment of playing different games. However, dancing in the rain is a matter of enjoyment for them. Next question. Do you agree with Kailash Satyarthi? All laws and constitutions, police and judges are unable to protect our children. Why? Answer: Yes, I agree with Kailash Satyarthi that all laws and constitutions, police and judges are unable to protect our children because, in spite of all these agencies, the condition of children is not improving at all. There is a rapid growth in bad incidents with the children. The child labors are increasing day by day. There is no change in the harassment done to children. Next question: what is your opinion about the aim of Kailash Satyarthi? Answer: I think that the aim of Kailash Satyarthi is comprehensive. His aim is to make an all-round development of children. His aim is to give everything to children is really praiseworthy. Next question: what according to you is the biggest challenge before our country? Answer: according to me, poverty is the biggest challenge before our country. About 25% people are still living below poverty line. They cannot complete even their basic needs. So, it is the biggest challenge to make poverty-free world. Next question: do you agree with the views of Kailash Satyarthi on education? Why? Answer: yes, I agree with the views of Kailash Satyarthi on education because they are right views, they are suitable views, they are factual views. Next question: suggest some changes in the present educational system. Answer: 1. Education should make complete development of students. Next, education should give life skill to the students. Next, education should give the meaning and objective of life. And next one, education should give a sense of global citizenship among the students. Next question: suggest some solutions to overcome the problem of child labor. Answer: 1. Strict enforcement of law against child labor. 2. Pursued the owners not to employ children. 3. Provide basic requirements of children. And fourth one, change the attitude of people towards child labor. Next question: do you think India is a country of civilized society? Why? Answer: no. I think that India is not a country of civilized society because there are many bad practices in our country. Children are not safe. They can't enjoy their childhood. However, women are in danger. All these things make India an uncivilized society. Next question: do you agree with the views of Kailash Satyarthi? Answer: yes, I agree with the views of Kailash Satyarthi because his views are factual, they are realistic, they are acceptable views. Next question: how will you make your society a civilized society? Answer: I will make my society a civilized following society by doing things. I will give education to all. I will try to provide security to all people. I will allow children to enjoy their childhood. I will create healthy society. However, I will make my society free from any kind of problem. All people will live happy. Next question: what, according to you, should the government do for the development of children? Answer: according to me, government should do some decisive work for the development of children. Government should make child-friendly policies. Government should provide free education to all children. Government should provide all facilities to children. Government should take important steps for the future of children. However, government should make a civilized society. Next question. If your friend is unwilling to come to school, what will you do? Answer. If my friend is unwilling to come to school, I will meet him and understand him. I will tell him the importance of education. However, I will meet his parents and request them to send him to school. Next question. What will you do to bring out of school children to school? Answer. I and my friends will make a list of out of school children in my village. I will understand their reasons of not attending school. I will find the solutions on their problems. I will tell them importance of education. However, I will tell them about fun and enjoyment in school. I will meet their parents and request them to send their children to school. Next question. Do you like to march in the direction shown by Kailash Satyarthi? Why? Answer. Yes, I like to march in the direction shown by Kailash Satyarthi because these directions lead us to humanity. They make us successful in life. However, they are the best directions to march. Next question. What message do you get from this speech? Answer. Kailash Satyarthi's speech is really inspiring. I get an inspiration to work for the betterment of children and make them skillful. However, I would like to give children their real happiness. Let's see some of the personal response questions and answers from the lesson The Alchemy of Nature. Question number 1. What is the purpose of this passage? Answer. The purpose of this passage is to throw light on the various happenings in nature. It also encourages the readers to learning something from natural objects. Next question. What lesson can we learn from the rock? Answer. We can learn from the rock that we can shape ourselves from the commands of others. However, we can learn that hard-natured person can be changed by soft-natured person. Next question. How do you feel when you see a rainbow in the sky? Answer. When I see a rainbow in the sky, I feel quite happy. I feel quite joyful. However, I feel like I am in heaven. Next question. What lesson can we learn from water? Answer. We can learn from water that we should give up our ego completely. We should compromise according to changing situations. So friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please you can write in comment box. Wish you a good day. Take care. Thank you very much.